Chronic skin diseases impact nearly 1 in 3 people worldwide. For many, it's more than skin deep, it's a daily battle with pain, stigma, and ineffective treatments. For decades, treatments like creams, steroids, and immunosuppressants have aimed to manage symptoms, not heal the skin. But what if we could go deeper? Enter stem cell therapy, a regenerative breakthrough offering real healing from the inside out. These cells don't just reduce symptoms, they repair, restore, and renew. Stem cells have the rare ability to transform into skin-building cells, like keratinocytes, fibroblasts, and melanocytes. They also release healing signals to boost your body's natural repair system. From autoimmune conditions like psoriasis and eczema, to pigment disorders like vitiligo, to slow-healing wounds and diabetic ulcers, stem cells are revolutionizing the treatment landscape. Doctors use stem cells from bone marrow, fat tissue, or umbilical cords, each with unique benefits. The source depends on the patient's needs and the condition being treated. In trials and clinics, patients are seeing faster healing, reduced inflammation, restored pigment, and less reliance on lifelong medications. Stem cell therapy is evolving. Combined with exosomes, PRP, and AI-powered personalization, it's ushering in a future of smarter, faster, and safer skin care. This isn't just another treatment, it's a revolution in healing. Because your skin deserves more than a cover-up, it deserves a cure. Talk to your dermatologist about stem cell therapies today.